Hello friends, I am BM. In this video, I will show you how to configure CP Plus CP D31G camera in your mobile. Okay, let's start the video. This is our dome camera. In this camera feature is 4G SIM memory card and Ethernet connection. Now I'm configuring this camera in Ethernet connection. Okay, now insert LAN cable in this port. Okay, after this connect power adapter 12 volt 1 amps. Okay, now open mobile software ezykam plus. Okay, I am already login user id by email. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to add camera or device. Okay, tap on plus icon, select here camera model. Our camera model is CPD31G. Okay, scroll down and select camera here. Okay, tap on CPG D31G. Okay, now tap on scan now or scan QR code from camera. Okay, properly scan QR code. QR is complete. Adding device, power on the device. Okay, device added is successfully. Now tap on done. Open camera. Now you see camera is now connected. You see camera is working. Okay, thank you for watching me. See you on next video.